Hi everyone. So I'm here at Pack Store. So I will be reviewing some products and also going to groom up one model, the party makeup. Basically, this road's called Minto Park. It's a main flyover, and here it's the first building only, and the apartment name is Landmark. So easily you can reach here. So let's begin. Hi. Sorry, that time I wasn't calling. So here you can see all the products by Pack. They are very amazing. These all are skincare. The upper side is exfoliator, and then lotion, face lotion. Then is a cleansing gel and a micro finish makeup fixer. Then lightweight rejuvenating lotion. Like the people who having like oily skin, summertime they can use this. This is a lightful moisturizing cream, and this is a makeup prime setting spray, and this is also a fixing spray. And these are pore minimizer, like a pore primer. These all are pigments. Pigments are so amazing by Pack. I will show you the swatches. And this is the total clean lip and eye makeup, like it's a makeup remover basically. And this is a creamy black rich smudge proof waterproof black kajal. These all are amazing lashes by Pack. You can see there's a different numbers according to your choice. And these are pomade, like eyebrow palette. 4 stunning color, very amazing. There's a 2 types of palette. This contains like a powder form, and this contains a cream form. 2 of them is a cream form and 2 of them is a powder form. And this is a oil primer which is newly launched, and it is amazing. I have seen so many people like reviewing this thing, like very nice. This is very nice. This is lightweight actually. For the dewy skin finish, you can use this as a base. This is translucent powder, like banana powder. This is also very nice. It's giving me vibe like a Huda Beauty kind of. It's very pigmented. This is best banana powder I have ever seen. This is translucent powder. And I was showing you this eyebrow cake. This is amazing because these both are creamy, these both are powdery form. I haven't seen this kind of eyebrow cake ever. I have seen, but all of them was powder. But this is amazing set. Like you can also use this, you can also use this, both of them. And here these all are the pigments, the bottom side, and these are lenses by the Pack, and these all are pigments, eyeshadow. Shift this side. And now you can see the amazing like gallery. This is my favorite one because here you all get amazing eyeshadows and pigments, many beautiful eyeshadow. This one is a shimmery kind of, this is a matte one, these are mix up. These is amazing for, you know, face art. Okay, and even you can use it as a makeup because it contains a lot of color, like multicolor, and even like a, you know, like foundation kind of complexion. I will show you.
super coverage.
Yeah.
Super coverage.
I can show you, this is a super coverage cream concealer. You can also use as a foundation.
Yeah, but
And
it has two character also.
it has two character also, orange and green, which basically like we use for the Indian skin tone. Both are very important. You know, वैसे तो like character में बहुत सारे colors होते हैं, pink, violet, yellow. Yeah, it's very pocket friendly also. How much?
This is for 2895.
2895. You see, like in 2895 you can get so amazing palettes, different colors, and the quantity is also very good, very good quantity. It won't finish easily, I think. And the face art lover can go for this. Face art lover, you can go for this. Now here you can see the glitter palettes, very amazing. Like in each pan you will get 5 colors in each pan.
Then buy individual also.
Yeah, if anyone is interested, they can buy individual also. Like it's a more in quantity also, 500 each. Okay, and this one how much?
This one for 1595.
1595. Okay. If you want to do any bridal, if you are in a profession like makeup artist, you can take like a palette. It will be much better for you. If just suppose you like particular one color, so you can get among these. It's very stunning shade. I like this one a lot. I will see you swatches. It's a holographic color pigment actually. It's a holographic one. It shows two color at the same time, pink and green. It's very amazing. And many colors are like holographic, like this one.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah. Yes. It's very stunning. All colors are very stunning actually. Yeah, this one also. So beautiful.
if you want blue top, lots of people are wanting blue.
Yeah.
Blue is in our fashion now.
Yes.
You can buy this.
Yes. It's a very beautiful peacock blue. If you want, you can get this. So exciting colors actually, I can see. Wow. This is also nice. And here you can see there is a lip palette here. But like you will get this in a kind of, if any people like a pink or pinky kind of person, like mauve, like a soft pink or warm pink or Barbie pink, you can get this. This is a smaller version. This is a big palette for the professionals, or even you can buy for yourself also if you want to try different colors. So how much for this?
And, if you buy bigger one, then you have to pay 2400.
2400. Okay.
Or if you want to buy a smaller one, then you have to pay 1075.
Okay. And now here it's a shimmery kind of eyeshadow.
Yeah.
This one. Can you swatch this? Go this one. Wow, amazing pigment with only single swipe. Very nice.
You can see the pigment.
Okay, now the most amazing part, that is blusher, which every girls love. Okay, here you get a blusher. This is very amazing for all complexion. Okay, and there's a palette also now for blusher.
Yeah.
This is a palette for artist, or if you are a makeup lover, you can use it. Please open this.
Yeah.
You can see this palette also, like see, these are the palette. This is in a nude side, this is in a pink side. Okay,
Blusher palette.
see, this is a blusher palette.
Called Hush Blush.
It's called Hush Blush. It's best for Indian skin tone. It's very nice for light, for medium skin tone. It goes well.
And price is 375.
price is 2375. Can you show me highlighters?
Yeah.
Like the most favorite part of girls.
In MAC Cosmetics, you will get lots of type of highlighters.
Right.
This one is baked highlighter.
Yes.
You can
Can
see
you
the
show swatches?
shine. Yeah.
Wow, nice. One more color which I have selected. This one is
Most preferring color.
most preferring color.
Maximum people are wanting this type of color because if you buy this one,
Uh-huh.
you will get both colors, golden one and silver one.
Kind of rose
So,
gold,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Right.
This is more.
And this is for good for the Indian fair skin tone also.
absolutely, absolutely. And very economical.
Very-
This one is for only for 9 to 5.
9 to 5. Okay. The quantity is also too
Quantity
much.
is also
Right.
much, and the pigment is so fine pigment. If you
Exactly.
use any other brand's highlighter,
Right.
you will get some
Chunks.
chunks are there.
I have noticed. This is very amazing. So in this row we have seen. I guess we have seen everything. This is a palette, right?
This is a
Highlighter.
baking powder.
Okay, baking powder
Yeah.
in palette. Wow.
Baking powder in palette.
Wow, amazing. See, there's a white translucent which gives
Yeah,
translucent
yeah.
look. This is a banana powder and this is a like
baked powder
cool
and
tang.
like a cool tang.
Right. So you can use also palette for the baking. So now the 2 row has left.
There are lots of another colors in our
There is a lot of another color for baking
Highlight.
highlight. It doesn't like that you choose that
golden
color
one.
only, which we have shown you. You have options.
yeah.
Wow. Very amazing. Like for the for British color, for a dark skin color,
Yeah, yeah.
maybe it will look better. Can I have that one also for the model?
Yeah.
That color.
You can see this color
Yeah.
also. This is very running color for
Yes.
basically going for.
I have seen one color in NARS. This is very nice. Like in
Yeah.
a NARS. Like, can you just give a
Yeah.
swatch?
This is ideal for bridal makeup specifically.
Okay. You know, when you want any dewy kind of finish on brides, so you can't use like a matte blusher also. You need you need sheen. You need sheen for the dewy look. So blusher cannot be like, you can use that. It's not that you can't use, but for better result you can use this kind of
This
blusher
kind of blush.
with a sheen. Okay. So now for the upper row there is a this is an amazing thing which everybody needs.
Very much important part for specifically for makeup artist.
Yes.
This is express brush cleaner.
Can I have one brush? I'll show the
Yeah, sure, you can.
yes.
Yeah,
Show.
you can apply.
Like if we are going somewhere to like groom the bride or something, and not generally what we do, we just swipe in a tissue, okay, which is not enough to like remove all the excess powder or product.
Totally
But this is
excess
very nice. This is very nice. You can instantly do that. But if you use any powder form kind of product,
This is for only for powder form.
only for powder form, okay.
If you have any cream form,
Mhm.
then you have to use this type of cleanser, which is
But instantly we cannot use the brush.
It's
Okay.
2-minute cleanser.
It's 2-minute cleanser. Like we need to spray or something.
Yeah, I will show you.
Okay. Bhaiya, do you have extra chairs?
For an example,
Mhm.
if I use your brush, this one is already used, right?
Okay.
And then just spray.
Wow.
And just remove.
Very nice. Instantly you can wash
Instantly
it.
you can wash it.
How
And
much it
when
is?
This one for 985. 985. Sorry.
985.
Yeah, this one for 985. and instantly it's totally clean, and now it's ready for applying any other.
So you know girls, like basically what we do, we keep lot of brush, because when we apply something like creamy, we can't use it again with another color until unless we doesn't like clear the product like nicely. So this is very best, right?
In front of client, and you can use it
Exactly, it's
ready
so
for
hygienic also. It's so
Yeah.
hygienic also. And now there's a third product which you can clean your brushes and all. This one, solid blush cleanser. This is
Yeah.
kind of soap form.
Yeah,
also.
this is a soap. If
Okay.
you open this pack, then you will get this soap,
Okay.
and then you have to put your brush wet,
Okay.
and then just rub here,
Okay.
and just take it and rub into this pad.
Okay.
After using this pad, you totally brush your teeth, and then you have
Okay.
to use regular.
We need to keep it for dry, right?
Yeah, yeah,
For
yeah.
this we need to keep it for dry, but for that we can use instantly, right?
instant.
For those things.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is this? Like
This one?
Yeah.
This one is lash fixer. You can see this. This one lash fixer.
lash fixer,
The lash fixer
eyelash.
is the
Okay,
most
okay.
useful thing.
Yes, yes.
Specifically, it used for lashes. But if you want to do any creative, any art, this is a lash fixer.
Yes, I am using this. This is amazing.
If
It
you want-
holds the eyelash.
Makeup, like put any flower or anything for your skin, then you can apply this lash fixer.
Okay,
This is
okay.
very
Like
much
face
skin
art
friendly.
and all,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
Skin friendly. This is a new thing which I have heard right now. It's very informative, guys.
Otherwise, any
Yeah.
other gum we can't put in our face.
Exactly.
It may be problematic for our skin,
Right,
but
right.
it is very much safe for us.
So these all are, and this is a
And this
primer,
one, no. This one actually, this is it called two-way gel.
two-way gel.
Two-way gel. You can apply it for pasting any type of glitter or shimmer on your
Okay.
eyelid.
Okay.
Then this one,
And the another way, like two-way. Okay.
yeah,
Glitter and all.
glitter and all other any type of
Okay.
thing you want to apply.
Means pigments also
Yeah,
we
yeah,
can,
yeah, you can
right?
apply
Pigments.
pigments also.
It brings up the very nice color
Yeah,
and
yeah,
pigmented, right?
And it hold long time. Hold
Yeah.
for long time.
And can you see contour palette?
Yeah. You will get two type of contour palette. This one is powder contour palette.
Yes.
And another one is for cream contour palette.
This one, no?
Yeah. This one is for cream contour palette. If you buy this powder one or cream one, then you will get one bronzer and one
Wow,
highlighter.
amazing. You can see there's a banana cream also, like
Yeah,
a
yeah,
concealer cream also,
Yeah.
according to the complexions, and different kind of contour
Contour
cream.
cream.
So if you want to show you like like it look like a sculpted look
Yeah.
or very sharp look, you can use a cream first, then use a powder.
Powder.
Okay, and the
And
powder
if
one
you
I've
want,
shown you already.
if you- in generally, we have to buy single pieces regularly. But in pack only, you will get total a palette, which too much easy to carry.
Right. And there is a compact also.
Yeah.
There's a compact also, and this is another highlighter, no?
This is a normal highlighter.
Normal highlighter. Okay.
Master Glow.
Okay, Master Glow.
Master Glow.
Now this compact like have a one range or two range?
There is a two range of compact. This is the Studio Finish compact.
Okay.
Which MRP price is 775, and this is a spotlight most running compact, you can say. This is a spotlight.
Can you show me
Spotlight,
swatches, please?
995.
Yeah, it's very pigmented, very nice. Okay. That's it. Okay. Amazing pigmentation. Now here there's a Spotlight liquid foundation. It is amazing. Like it's give you high coverage also.
High coverage and totally
Yeah.
waterproof.
Totally waterproof. Like oily skin people can wear it easily,
And
and
very
it's
much lightweight.
blendable.
Yeah.
And
very
in a
much lightweight.
in all complexion you can get this, like dark to light, okay, like normal. And these are the separate zero pore like primer, right?
Yeah. All
These all are primer. Can you
This
show
one
me?
is moisturizer.
Can you show me this primer?
Yeah, zero pore primer.
I guess this is very amazing one for the oily skin people, and covers the pores also nicely. So can you
This is
just
silicone base.
yeah.
Instantly give you a smooth base.
Very slippery. Smooth, yeah. So now, and the upper side is a beauty blender.
Yeah.
Okay, this is an amazing beauty blender. I have used that. So now we need to go that side to show you the last row, the final row. I don't think so that you have seen so many product detail online or ever. So the upper side, what is that? Ultimate blender.
These are blenders. If you buy this type of ultimate blender, then you will get two blender inside this packet.
Okay.
One is water drop and another is olive cut.
Okay. Okay.
After that, this is the instant brush cleanser which I saw you, and there is a spotlight concealer.
Okay.
It's a highly covered your skin for any. If you want to cover, if you want to
Any blemish.
cover any blemish or any tattoo,
Can you show
can
one swatch,
also-
only one lighter shade, any swatch,
Lighter shade.
just to check out the coverage.
it cover your tattoo also.
Here. Wow,
Just you can see.
it's very nice, girls. Like you can use this under eyes,
Yeah.
like the place which crease a
Lots
lot.
of dark circle if you have,
Yeah,
then it will
and
cover
it is best
100%.
for like those area where we crease more, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा लाइंस आने लगते हैं मेकअप के बाद, जो एरिया को हम लोग बेकिंग करते हैं उस एरिया के लिए स्पेसिफिकली ऐसा कंसीलर बहुत अच्छा है. इट्स वेरी बेस्ट बिकॉज वहाँ पे हम लोग को लाइक स्वेट वगैरह आता है, ऑयल ज़्यादा आता है, तो ये
This
बहुत
one
देर तक
waterproof
रखेगा.
also.
Yes, it is waterproof. And this one are like
This
medium
one
range,
is
right?
medium range.
Medium one, okay.
This one is a very different thing from PAC Cosmetics.
Okay.
It called Magic Mascara.
Luxury feel.
Magic Mascara is
Yeah.
generally when you buy any mascara, then you will get only one.
Okay.
I will show you the difference between another product.
Okay.
This one is mascara.
Okay.
You apply it in your eyelids, and after using this, you have to put second one.
Okay.
Second one is this one. Here you will get original hair.
Okay. Okay. For original
It
hair.
gives you,
Okay.
if you saw,
Uh-huh.
yeah,
Okay.
If you
This
use
is made
this-
up of original hair.
original hair. So
Okay.
it gives you a false lash effect.
Okay. Okay. Now these are the foundation PAC HD liquid foundation. There are two range. One is Spotlight and other one is this. So you can see here. I'm going to show you swatches.
বিলটা তো তোমার জন্য রেডি, বিল রেডি হয়ে গেছে তো?
This is the swatches. This one. This is also very amazing. And these all are foundation and liquid foundation. It's a box of that. And the very bottom you can see. I don't know what is this.